Hi guys, Patrick here of NoipX.com. A few weeks ago, we already saw the OPPO F11 Pro, which we actually have a full review link down below. But now, we have its baby brother, the OPPO F11. And as you can see, it's still fresh and wrapped in plastic. So today, we will be unboxing this device and we will be sharing our initial thoughts and first impressions about the new OPPO F11. So, let's start. Alright guys, so now here we have the OPPO F11 and its fully sealed box. Slice it open. There you go. We have the pack that houses, first of course we have the SIM ejector tool. So there's a dedicated pack for the documentations, which houses the quick start guide and other important information. And of course we have the free protective case. As you can see, it's not as clear as what other devices have. It has a smoky tone to it, which can complement the overall look of the device. We actually saw this also on the OPPO F11 Pro and the R17 Pro, I believe. So yeah, let's just put this on the side. And of course, we now have the device itself. Let's just put this on the side first. So let's dig in further. This is just a cardboard. And we have the micro USB port, which is a little disappointing since we're already in 2019 and we actually expect almost all brands to switch now in the USB Type-C era, but I guess not a lot of them are ready just yet. But we'll take what we have. So let's put this on the side. And to partner up the USB cable, we have the large charging brick, which actually enables its VOOC 3.0 charging. So maybe one of the reasons why we're still using the micro USB is because when OPPO was developing the VOOC 3.0, it was still in the micro USB era. So maybe that's the reason why, but you know, we'll see how fast it can really charge the device in our full review. So let's put this on the side. And lastly, we have the included earphones. So yeah, basically that's it. The box is pretty much empty. So let's just... And finally, let's open this up. And so this is actually the OPPO F11 fluorite purple color variant. Also available in green, I believe, with a similar looking color gradient design. So yeah, basically that's it. This is the unboxing of the new OPPO F11. On paper, the OPPO F11 and the F11 Pro are pretty much the same. We actually have a more detailed specs comparison between these two, which you can check out again via the links in the description below. But just to give you the gist, both the OPPO F11 and the F11 Pro share the same MediaTek Helio P70 processor, a 48 megapixel and 5 megapixel cameras on the back, and a 4000 mAh battery with OPPO's new VOOC 3.0 fast charging technology. Probably the only key difference between the two is the OPPO F11 Pro has a pop-up camera on the top, which houses its front-facing camera. Meanwhile, the F11 utilizes the traditional water drop notch on the top of the screen. Also, since there are no cameras on the front, the F11 Pro has a better screen-to-body ratio. But on the upside, both devices actually share the same front-facing sensor, which means that they will be equally good for selfies. Also, for those people who are doubting the long-term durability of pop-up mechanisms, then you might be actually better off settling with the non-Pro variant. And by doing so, you'd be actually saving around 3,000 pesos as the OPPO F11 only retails for 15,990 pesos, while the Pro variant is available at 18,990 pesos. Overall, the OPPO F11 really provides a great first impression. And as what I've said earlier, it actually shares a lot of similarities with the Pro variant. The entire build quality feels really solid, although it is a little hefty when compared to some other devices in this price category. We shall see how this device really performs as we run our test with it for our full review. But as what I've said earlier, it has tons of similarities with the OPPO F11 Pro, which we have already reviewed before, so we really kinda know what to expect on this one. Again, this has been Patrick from NoipGeeks.com. Make sure you stay tuned as we'll be publishing our full review of the OPPO F11 in the coming days. For now, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, share this video if you liked it, subscribe if you still haven't, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a video. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And yeah, basically that's it for now. Thank you for watching.